Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Michele and I'm here today with another episode of Dare to Air. You know it? That's right, my favorite kitchen appliance, the Vitamix, and the new container, the air disc. Boy, do I love this. And today we're gonna make something so delicious. It is the ultimate uber indulgent, decadent sauce of all times. I'm telling you, to chefs in culinary school, this is the bane of all sauces. We get there and they say, today we are gonna make Hollandaise sauce. I mean, it's a frightening thing because they go through all the rules of making Hollandaise sauce. It's a sauce that's from France, came from a part of France where they have lots of good dairy cheese and cream with their wonderful cows. And so we're going to bring a little bit of France into the kitchen today. This is a wonderful, wonderful recipe to know. And you can make it in just a minute at home instead of going out and spending, I don't know, $18, $20, $25 for Eggs Benedict. Now you can just do it at home. Unbelievable. I am so excited. Let's get going. So let's say I was going to teach you how to make it the chef way. Well, I tell you to get out your double boiler. We put some water and you turn it on. I tell you to bring it to a simmer. No boiling, hot, a little lower simmer. Oh no, the water's going away. Add a few more tablespoons of cold water. Bring it back so it's hot. Can't be boiling. And then we're going to start whipping, 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 whipping. And we're going to slowly be adding 1 tablespoon of butter at a time. Whipping, 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 whipping. And you cannot stop because if you stop, that butter is going to start to curdle in with the eggs and it's horrible. After 12 minutes of whipping, suddenly the whole thing goes kapow and it looks like curdled yellow cottage cheese. F in culinary hollandaise sauce. And not only that, if it's a really humid day, then you can't even use the regular butter. You've got to use clarified butter. That's a whole nother lesson to clarify butter. But now, my friends, you are going to be the greatest top chef ever, just like me, in your own kitchen using your Vitamix and your air disc. So right here, I have my A3500. I love this machine. One of the many machines. Every Vitamix machine is a wonderful machine, and this air disc fits on all of them. Unless you have that old metal one with the little spout, keep that one. It's an antique. If you don't want it, please send it to me. I want it really bad. So anyway, we're going to go ahead, put our air disc on here. Now, what do we have here? I went out and got some fresh eggs today from my chickens. So we have 6 egg yolks. What should you do with the egg whites? Oh, I don't know. You could make a meringue. We can teach that in a class. You could just add them to your scrambled eggs or your omelet. And my cats have never turned down having egg whites on their food as a special treat. So let's go ahead and just put the egg yolks in. Then we have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Dump that in there. If you don't have fresh lemon juice, then just some of the bottled lemon juice. Not quite as tasty though. Then we're going to take about 1/4 of a teaspoon there of salt. I love the peak Himalayan salt. It has all those extra vitamins and minerals in it. And then whatever your favorite hot sauce is, just a couple dashes, put that in there. All right, we're ready to go. That's it. Okay, snap on your wonderful locking lid, and then you're going to take your tamper out just like that. Now, we're going to start out here, and we're just going to slowly move this up to a variable 8 on your Vitamix machine. So we'll turn this on. See, there we go. Let it go about 30 seconds. Okay? Now, let it spin. We're getting close enough. Now, here's my 1.5 cups of melted butter. That, my friends, is what I call a miracle. So now what we have is a professional hollandaise sauce that took us less than a minute, and this is amazing. So what do you use hollandaise sauce on? My motto is we must get more of this delicious sauce into our lives. So I've gone ahead and today for my brunch, let's call it, is that I am having a beautiful salad. I'm just leaving to kind of get some of the carbs out. I'm leaving out the English muffin or the toast underneath, but I've just had some beautiful greens, a few pieces of bacon, some fresh tomato, and a poached eggs. And that, my friends, came from my chickens this morning, warm when I brought it in. So now I'm just going to take my hollandaise sauce. You can't have enough of that. Look at that. Is that beautiful? And now I just have a couple of fresh basil leaves. What a beautiful breakfast for you, or brunch. Perfect for Easter, Mother's Day, a spring tea with your friends. It's lovely, but like I said, we must get more of it into our lives. So go ahead, take that asparagus you did on the grill and put the hollandaise sauce on it. Your kids don't like broccoli? Take the broccoli, hollandaise, they're gonna eat it. Poached salmon, delicious. Okay, let's say crab imperial, that'll work too. Okay, one of the best ways to eat it, of course, to get more in your life, spoon, just straight off the spoon. Thank you for coming back to Dare to Air, and thank you for coming into my kitchen to see how to make a delicious hollandaise sauce in the Vitamix Air. We'll see you next time, and until, bon appetit!